down rolling up to it. Hey, there's a tree down. Watch your head. She'll see it. Hard to tell you're running into there. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I can move that? I can move that. I'll make myself useful today. Okay. How about you? You ready to fall? Not quite. Get out of my swamp. Should I leave these here? Should I leave this here? Can I even move it? I'm not sure I can move this. There we go. Okay. Light as a feather, stiff as a board. It tastes like wood and dust. Those can stay. Okay, it looks pretty clear. Where's my girlfriend? Live route. Okay. Wow. It fucking says boo. Ugh. Let's get rid of this. I want her to go down shit like that because it just makes this whole experience more fun. It's not even challenging. Like, it's just basic ride your bike shit. She's not catching air. She's literally just going from here to here. I know she can do it. She just, I think, needs more coaching. Yeah, because she was sitting down when she rolled up to it. And I'm guessing you have to stand up to it. Like, where the fuck is she? Yo! I don't see anybody. I'll just go up. I wonder if a leaf blower would, like, blow away some of these sticks. Is that Tiff? That's Tiff. Okay, I moved all the logs that were in our way here. Okay. That's a fun downhill. What? That's a fun downhill. You can really get some speed there. Yeah, last time we were here, there's these birch logs covering the path. Turn around. Okay, stay to the right of this boulder here. Hey, there's something else written on the tree. What does that say? Bro, at... What does that say? Bro at sort place? What the fuck? A tree. It says bro at sort place. I think. Whoa. Whoa. Well, that's the mystery trail. And you pop out right behind this mausoleum. Cemetery on your left, mausoleum here. So, that was a good ride. tomorrow I think I want to go out. All week it's going to be really nice because it's not going to be too hot. It's going to be like below, it's 24 below, but that's by the end of the week. So I'm going to try to come out here like every day. So thanks for watching.